Welcome back to the Tool Crib. On the table today, I have some of the newest offerings from Olight to highlight their latest flash sale, which begins today, July 26th at 8 p.m. and it's going to run through July 30th at 11:59 p.m. The first of which is the Warrior X Turbo. Now, I have had my eye on this flashlight for ever since it came out. It's been out for about a year now, and I just never pulled the trigger on it. And I finally got the chance to use it. And I got to tell you, I am really, really impressed with this flashlight. Now, it's coming out in this new limited edition camo version, and that's why they sent this one along. This one has 1100 lumens, but what's most impressive about it is the 1,000 meters of throw that this flashlight has. It is a great standalone light or as a weapon light. If you get a chance, I just did a review on this one that you can check out right here. The next one is the O-Pen Pro. Now, this is an upgrade to the O-Pen 2, and they have done a fabulous job with this one. This particular flashlight, I absolutely love this flashlight. A couple of things that they've done different from the O-Pen 2. First of all, they made it lighter, which was a big plus. They've also thinned the profile up a little bit. That makes it a lot more comfortable to write with. The next thing that they've done is they moved the LED from the body of the flashlight into the clip. So if you have it clipped onto a shirt pocket, you can use it hands-free. It's a much more feasible design having that LED out here on the end. Now, what's most impressive about this one, or to me, what I was kind of like the tipping point. I've tried carrying the O-Pen 2. It's just a little bit bulky. It's a nice pen, but the upgrade with the O-Pen Pro is just that much better. So what it integrates is an LED laser pointer as well. And this thing will actually shoot out a long ways. That green laser is ideal for me in the construction industry to be able to highlight or to be able to show people what, pointing at equipment that's a long ways away from me to let people know what we're working with or what we're working on. Just a little laser pointer integrated into a pen light like that is a fabulous idea. I love what they did with the O-Pen Pro, and I just did the review on this one as well that you can check out right here. Now, the next one is the special edition titanium versions of the Warrior Mini 2. So they're coming out with the element versions. This one is the Earth, and they are 3D engraved too. These are actually really nice. So they have Earth, Air, Water, and Fire in different colors. And I'll kind of flash the different pictures of these up through here so you can get an idea of what these look like. Now, the Warrior Mini 2 is a big improvement over the Warrior Mini. First of all, it includes the proximity sensor, which is a big thing. There was one of the major problems with the original Warrior Mini is that if it turned on in your pocket, boy, it could be a real hazard because that light gets incredibly hot in that high mode. And the Warrior Mini 2 has it's like 1,750 lumens. I mean, it really puts out the light. The last thing is the X9R cell. Now, my wife has told me that she has to have this. So what this is just a little keychain light that is based on or made to look like the X9R Marauder. So let's open this little guy up and we'll pull this out, and you can just see how incredibly tiny that little X9R cell is. It is a little baby flashlight. And you just twist it to turn it on. So it only has the one setting, and I don't even remember what the lumen is on this one, but it's pretty light. So 2.5 lumen, 30 hours of runtime. And this one, it's actually IPX8 rating and 2-meter drop rated as well. So that's kind of cool. So the little battery in here, you can get replacements for this from Olight, but it just has, I don't even know what that battery cell is called. But this is a pretty cool little EDC keychain light, and mine's about to get confiscated by my wife. So these are some of the latest from Olight. I'm really impressed with the Warrior X Turbo. That is a fantastic light. I probably am most impressed though with the upgrades on the O-Pen Pro. I really like this to the point where I'm actually going to start carrying this, because with the LED that will go up to max of 120 lumens. Actually, there we go. Well, now I had to remember how the user interface worked. This is actually a really nice light. I like the fact that they moved the LED to the outside, and it has a gel point writing pen. It's a lot slimmer. It's a little bit longer than what the OPN2 was, but I find it to be very, very comfortable to use. And then the laser pointer on top of that just is the tipping point for me. That's what really sold me on this one. And then the special edition. Now, on these special editions, I believe there's only going to be 4,000 of each one of these titanium versions of the Warrior Mini 2. So if you're looking for one of these, you might want to get in on those early. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.